had the time to pass me by. Ranging in my sentimental mind. I'm still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. I was taken so for granted. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Words fall. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Just say it. Didn't see you sharpening your knife. Acting like you owe you breathing love. Cut your losses in the end. Make sure you learn no losses. My trust is permanent damage. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Words fall. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Just say it.
Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like down. I don't know if I really like it or not, but it's cute. It's cute down. I like it better half up, half down, just for my head shape. Okay, and again, you guys, this is the Zury Sis Naturally Star V.9.10.11 1 pack enough synthetic crochet braids passion twist. So these are the Zury Sis passion twists. In each pack there's 108 twists. So yeah, and it comes in 3 bundles. There's a 9-inch, a 10-inch, and 11-inch bundle. So yeah, and I believe this is the color Sunbray 3033. If it's not, I threw the package away. If it's not, I'll correct it in the description. But I bought 2 packs. Each pack cost me $21.99 or it was $24.99. Yeah, I can't remember. It was one of those, but I found it on Divatress. And their price is $19.99. So you might want to order online for cheaper here, because beauty supply store here be taxing. But yeah, this is 2 packs in my head. Like I said, it's 108 twists in each pack. So yeah, and I used 2 packs, and I think I just had like maybe 20 strands of hair left. But yeah, this is it. This is it all down. I don't know if I really like it all down. I had it half up, half down, but it's cute and it's lightweight, and it says 1 pack is enough, but it just wasn't enough for me because I like a lot of hair in my head, and plus my head is big. So yeah, the 2 packs cost me like $54 or something like that once tax hits. So yeah, but anyways guys, as always, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.